Hello, welcome back. Doing a huge wardrobe throwout, wardrobe purge. The new year's got me feeling like some of this stuff gotta go. I hardly wear any of it, so it's gotta go. It's taking up my whole wardrobe, so I gotta get bin bags and throw it out. I'm not gonna list where everything is from. Half this stuff is gonna be in the bin. But if you want to know where things are from, ask me in the comments and I will definitely 100% let you know. But to list everything in that description, I'm sorry, it's not gonna happen. I really truly don't know why I've decided to film in front of a window. I thought it was gonna be cute. It is cute, but it's giving me big logistical problems now because the sun's actually decided to come out here. But I'm putting all of my wardrobe on this thing, this coat rack. I don't think they're all gonna fit. If I have to do it in sections, then I'll do it in sections, but we just gotta purge, we gotta renew. If I haven't worn it, I've seen people do like if they turn their hang around at the beginning of the year, and if it's still like that 3 months later, then they just throw it out. I need that same mindset of like, don't hold on to these old things. That's the metaphor for this year, is don't hold on to stuff. Let's let it go, let it go, let it go. If it doesn't serve you anymore, it's gotta go. So I'm gonna just put as many things on here as I can, and we'll just go through them. I'll put them in a bin pile or a keep pile, and that's how we're gonna do it. I think we're gonna start with this. I feel like this is just under half. We're starting with this. I've actually tried to organize it a little bit, so I've got tops are here, dresses here, I've got jumpers on the back, and then I don't think you can even see, but I've got bottoms here. Let's just start, let's just begin. As ever, I absolutely love these. They're from Urban Outfitters Archives, but it's basically like this vibe. It's like cargo, pinstripe, trousers, skirt, all in one. Super cool. How nice is this? Denim skirt with this belt. Cute. This is also UO Archive. I actually might throw these. This might have to be our first item going into the no pile. I'm gonna end up with so many hangers, hopefully. That would be great. Cargos, and I know everybody loved cargos, but I feel like I didn't really like them as much as everybody else did. But anyway, I bought some. I don't know, they're really heavy duty and I feel like it's not the kind of thing I really wear. Oh my god, this is already hard. This wasn't supposed to be this hard. Okay, now I've got them on, immediately no. They're just not my vibe, they're not cute. I'm gonna let them go. And again, I never ever wear it. It looks fantastic though. This skirt looks really, really good on. And I feel like this is another holiday one. It also has a matching top. I feel like I'm not being as cutthroat as I promised I was gonna be. This is another one. Again, I only ever wear this on holiday. And I feel like these things don't need to be hanging in my wardrobe, surely. I never wear them. This also has a top counterpart somewhere. They go like this. So it's cute. It's cute, so I'm keeping it, but okay, that's all the bottoms, so that's that bit done. Moving on to dresses, let's start picking up the pace. Never wear this. I have a black version of this and I love it. They're kind of too tight, but I never wear it. Oh, this is so hard, because I love this though. But I literally never ever wear it. I'm gonna throw it. This has to stay. It just doesn't have to stay in my wardrobe. This is my mom's dress from a long time ago. Probably when she was my age. This is cute. This is one of those ones that cross over like this. Simple dress that always looks good, that you can rely on, so we're keeping that. So I have this old, I feel like people will probably recognize this because I feel like everybody had this from Pretty Little Thing. I have the matching top as well, just a vest, and I might keep the vest, just don't really wear it, but the vest, I feel like a good vest is always fine, easy to keep, but I think I'm gonna be strong and get rid of this skirt. Like this. This can go, but I never wear it. It's not that flattering. It comes with a belt as well. This is from PLT. I wish I'd just sized down. That's the only reason it's not flattering. It's quite cute and it's also warm, but it's just slightly too big and it's not giving like cute oversized. This dress I love. I bought this dress because I was watching Selling Sunset and I saw Christine Quinn in a long sleeve turtleneck like maxi midi dress. Loved it, instantly bought one because it's got a hole in it. And and then it's got a hole in the back as well. It looks great, so I hope I can get the holes fixed because I definitely want to keep it. This is one that I'm sad to see go, but it's gonna have to because again, I don't wear this ever, not even in the summer. Again, I feel like it's too cutesy for who I am now. I have a lot of cutesy stuff because I used to be a cutesy girl. It doesn't represent me anymore, so she gotta go. This dress is purely just a holiday dress. It reminds me of like Neapolitan ice cream. I know it's not the same colors, but figure out, you can decide how short you want the sides or whatever. It's nice, it's kind of bottom heavy, but it's a very cute, easy summer dress, so this one has to go. This one is such a shame. All of my dresses are inside out, which I feel like goes to show I don't wear them ever because they're all inside out. But this one is such a nice dress, but it doesn't fit anymore, really. I've had this for a long time. It's asymmetrical. Look at this. It's just like got this ruching on one side. It's from Zara. It's really, really nice. I love this dress, but it doesn't fit anymore. And I could wear it. It's actually the straps that become a bit uncomfortable, not the dress, because the dress is this material, like it's quite stretchy anyway. But the straps, they just dig in a bit. So I'm not sure. I think I might keep. I feel like I need to allow myself 3 bad decisions, and this is gonna be one of them. This dress I actually bought for the races when I was invited to the races really last minute. It's nice, it's cutesy again though. I actually wore this, happened to wear this recently to a restaurant, and it was nice, but it was a bit too cutesy for my style, and that's the only other time I've worn it, so I feel like she needs to go. I have a feeling this color scheme, this sort of nude color, like isn't really for me. I feel like it washes me out a bit, and everything I have in that color I just don't love. So anyway, she's going. We're flying through this. I feel like we really are getting through this. Mesh top, get her out of my life. It's actually like this. I love a strapless long sleeve. Again though, I don't ever wear this color, and look what color it is. It's this sort of peachy nude color. And this one actually is a bit too tight, but I do love I have one of these in black as well, and I love it, so I'm gonna keep it. This top, love this. This is a denim tube top. I love anything off the shoulder, and I feel like it really suits me as well. So we just love each other, you know? Cool. It's been washed so many times that it started to lose color at the top. But yeah, it's one of those tie it here. Love this, yeah, absolute slay, love it. It was expensive though as well. But it reminds me of Shrek's waistcoat. It's cute, but I just don't ever wear it. But it was also like, I don't know, I don't really want to get rid of it. It's nice, I'm keeping it, but not for the reasons I should be. This is an asymmetrical top. It's actually, well, it's a bodysuit, but it's asymmetrical. We're keeping her. We're onto jumpers now already. Look at this, it's empty. We've got a whole another set to go, but I feel like it's getting there, you know? Corduroy shirts, how do we feel about those? I have this brown one. I feel like I only want to keep one. I have a brown one, I have a green one. I mean, it's neutral, but you know, it's not like a brown or a nude or a black. And that's probably why I never wear it, is because of that. But I'm really trying to get into wearing things with a bit more color. Fuck. So I feel like the brown one's gotta go because I never wear either. This is a custom hoodie. I never wear it because look at the color, but it's custom. This is a illustration of me and Bear at the back on the bottom. That's the only reason I've kept it, is because it's custom. And I feel like I still have to keep it because it's custom. Tuxedo blazer, cute. Never wear her, I'm not even convinced she fits anymore. She's going. This is from like super into pink gamer days. I mean, I'm still a big gamer, but you know, this was the aesthetic at one point. It was like tie-dye and all these bright colors. So I love this, and when I got it, I feel like it was like £50 and I saved up for it at the time. And I really loved it. And I love this. I love it when there's details on the sleeve. So someone else might as well have it and love it. This I actually stole from a friend. I didn't mean to steal it, but I stole it from her and I love it. And I'm keeping it, A, because I love it, but B, because it didn't belong to me in the first place, so therefore I feel like I don't have the right to decide to dispose of it. Never wear it, but love it. This is big, comfy. Sometimes I sleep in this actually, so yeah, she's staying. This is just a white like zip up. I feel like you have to have one of these. Like, I just think that graffiti is so cool. I don't like the flowers on the sleeve though, but in the flowers, I don't know, it's, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it. Look how cute that is. And I think we can go even quicker through the second half, because now I'm looking at it, it doesn't actually seem like it's as much as all of that was. So I'm gonna put it on there and we'll go through that as well. Okay, done. There's a lot of dresses in this one, so honestly, I'm just gonna start there because that's gonna be the longest one to get through. Let's just start, okay? Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I would buy this in black as well, or even red, I think they do it in, but yeah, 100% keep. Why are you throwing this out? But I'll tell you why. It's white, it's giving winter vibes. It's like, look at the material. It's like a fuzzy, fluffy, but when you put it on, it just doesn't like fit where you want it to fit, and it doesn't hug where you want it to hug. I feel quite like, it makes me feel tall, and I don't know if that makes sense to anyone else, but it makes me feel like huge. It makes me feel like really tall, really wide. I don't know why, and it just doesn't cling to you in a flattering way. This dress, I have never worn. I've never worn it. This is the material. It's just like jersey material. It just doesn't fit well. It does. It's really hard to get on, and therefore when it's on, it's really nice and fitted, but then the bottom, you can't walk. You cannot walk, like, at all. So I'm just not even gonna bother. It's kind of the same vibe. Love this though, because this is a full, long maxi dress, but it's just, you know, it's vest. I did like a little thing here as well to make it a bit tighter around the waist, but comfy, right? Like, that's an essential piece. Love this. Again, it's a midi with a built-in belt. Very cute. It's kind of a little bit turtleneck as well. So yeah, this dress is really nice. So yeah, keep. It's a wrap dress, so it's got a button on the inside to connect it, and then the string to connect it as well. But it's short sleeved, it's so flattering, gorgeous. Another basic one. This dress is another long sleeved midi dress. But yeah, this is a warm one. It's got a really low neckline, but it's nice, so I'm keeping that. It looks like this. This is the top. It's got like little puffy shoulders. This is the cut out collar, and then it's corseted here, and then it all flares out with the pockets. So nice. This is such a nice dress. That's why I bought it in 2 colors. I don't wear the other color, evidently, but this one, I don't wear this that much either, but it's such a nice dress. It looks great on, and I think the black one just, I don't know, it's easier to wear for me. I think a lot of these dresses I'm gonna end up keeping probably, but this is a play suit. Look at the material though. It's so nice, and a little bow. It's cute. How cool is this? How cool is this denim dress? It's short. I wore this to Beyonce, but how cool is that? And this belt really works. If you need the tightening up here, it's perfect for that. It's so nice. So yeah, another basic, love. This dress is stunning. You know, it's silky fabric. Halter neck with a collar like this. So like you can decide how low cut you want this bit to be. And then obviously it's halter neck, so therefore the back is low. Brown, silky dress, long, maxi, perfect. Look at that material. Really lightweight, love it, from Urban Outfitters. They also do a black one, but I don't want to keep buying black dresses. The fabric is kind of, I don't know if you can tell, but it's almost velvety, and it really sticks to you when you wear it, but not necessarily in a bad way. I don't know. That's another one in the bad decisions pile. Okay, let's do bottoms and outerwear all in one go, because there's not that many of them. Skort. Love a skort. 100% keeping. She's leaving the chat. Gone. I'm getting rid of these. Well, they're cargos. They're jogger cargo. You know, just cut ties. We're keeping this. Jumper is so comfortable. I absolutely love this one. I feel like we're in like the basics section of my wardrobe, where it's like things like a denim jacket, Like, I'm not gonna get rid of a denim jacket, especially when I only have one. Recently acquired blazer. Yeah, gotta keep that. Cardigan goes well over everything. So I feel like I mostly just wear this indoors. Hardly ever wear this out, but like, yeah, it's very comfortable, very cute. So flying through this. This top reminds me of Doja Cat. For no reason other than I used to watch a lot of her live streams and I loved, she always had really interesting tops on. And so then I went on a bit of a hunt for like, let me find a crazy top that's just like something interesting, especially if you were doing like, kind of like this, I guess, like a neck up thing for the camera. Like yeah. So anyway, it's really interesting, this top. Where is it from? It's from JADA. But it goes like this, so all your skin's out here. This covers the girls, and then this goes over here. So there's a big section here missing. And then on this side, it's kind of just like a vest. But I just think it's really interesting, and the material is interesting too. I never wear it though. This might have to be my third bad decision. This, oh my God, I love this. I think this is my favorite thing in my wardrobe. But this is a corset. Well, obviously like a fabric corset, but look at it. It's so nice. Love, love, love. Just think this is the nicest top ever. Little shawl thing. I like it though because it does add warmth, and that's what I feel like I like most about it, is wearing a nice outfit, but then like I don't want to cover the outfit out, but I still want some sleeves. So I'm gonna keep it for that because it's good over a dress as well. Another basic top, well, it's actually a dress. I wear it as a top though, most of the time. But yeah, to wear this as a top as well is really nice. Yeah, love that. This is actually exactly the same as this that I've got on now, this red one. This actually belongs to my mother. And this is another one that I feel like is just as old as me. But I love it and I wear it all the time. It's mesh in the middle and a woman. And then I think it's just that I've not found a good edgy outfit to wear with it. But it's really cute. Jersey, everybody's gotta have a jersey. Brown shirt. I had a phase of only buying brown clothes because I only had black clothes, and I was like, well, brown suits me, so let me buy a load of brown stuff. So that's why I've got so much brown clothing. And now I'm in the phase of I want to stand out more. I want to wear more colorful things, like wearing red or just anything that's a bit more like, you notice me. I don't love this, but honestly, every time I wear this shirt, I get compliments and I love that. So I'm gonna keep it. Love, love, love. Yes, it's off the top, shoulder top. I love off the shoulder tops. Off the shoulder, long sleeve. Love it, wear it all the time. Oh my God, this is the best thing. This is so thick as well. I don't even know if I can show you enough to prove it. I love everything about this top. The color, like everything about it, love it. Oversized t-shirt, love this. Perfect for lounging, but also in the summer when I can wear just this and legs out, it's very cute. Big oversized shirt, you have to have at least one. And I'm keeping, because like I said, I want to not wear so much black all the time. And obviously it's bright blue, and it has all this patterning that you can adjust. So it can be really low cut or it can be higher cut, and you can have more skin out. One thing I did with it is I wore it backwards. So you've just got like a high neck, covered up blue shirt, and then the back is out. And it's really nice like that, but I like it from the front too, but it just means that I can wear it either way, and it's fine. I can wear it anywhere. We've done it. That's actually all of it. It actually filled 2 bags. So that's that. Yeah, I'm gonna donate these clothes. I know I've been saying throughout the video, like, oh, throw this out, get this in the bin, but like I am actually donating them. It's just, that's the terminology I was using, I guess. So yeah, so that's both of those. I'm excited to get my wardrobe feeling like it's full of clothes I actually wear. I think it's the new year is making me feel like I want everything to just be aligned with me and my needs. Thank you for coming through this journey with me. It actually didn't take as long as I thought it was gonna take, but I love watching this kind of thing when the girls do their like wardrobe hauls or like resets or whatever, so I thought I'd bring you with me to do mine. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to know where anything is from, or let me know if you want me to show you how I've done the wardrobe. Yeah, and I'll be back again next week. Thanks for watching, bye!